The Cross River State Planning Commission, in collaboration with the Nigerian Economic Society, has organized a brainstorming session aimed at addressing issues affecting population data, identify management and development planning in the state. The event, which brought together economists, academias, government officials, students, development experts and stakeholders, focused on the theme Beyond Guesses, Rethinking Population Data Identity and Development Needs for a Viable Cross-River Economy. Our correspondent, Josephine Efaga, reports that participants discussed the need for accurate data to improve planning and economic growth across the state. The report.
Speaking, the Vice Chairman and the Chief Executive Officer of Cross River State Planning Commission, Dr. Bong Duke, stressed that planning based on assumption often leads to poor implementation of government policies and programs. Dr. Duke emphasized that accurate data would help government understand the real needs of the people in areas such as healthcare, education, infrastructure, employment, and social welfare. He added that modern technology and digital systems should be adopted to make the process more reliable and transparent.
We are currently focusing on local processing. We are tired of sending out our cocoa beans from Ipom and Etum. We want to send out chocolates and worst case scenario, cocoa powder. There must be some level of processing carried out in Cross River State. So the transformation includes a shift from the raw material export to local processing, creating premium products and jobs. Other key sectors that we're working on also includes reclaiming a 8,521 acre Cross River rubber estate and converting it into a and oil palm estate.
The chairman of the occasion, Tufan Fidelis Ubo, noted that reliable population figures and proper identity documentation are important tools for effective governance, allocation of resources, and attractive development projects. Also, the National President and Chairman, Governing Council, Nigerian Economic Society, Dr. Baba Musa, represented by the Chairperson, Nigerian Economic Society, Cross River State Chapter, Professor Francis Obafemi, maintained that proper statistics would enable authorities to make decisions capable of improving the living conditions of residents.
We have infrastructural challenges. Urban planning in Cross River State is currently pivoting toward addressing deep-seated infrastructural disparities, particularly in water, sanitation, and hygiene.
For its bold initiative in convening this brainstorming session, and for choosing as a partner the Cross River State chapter of our society. This collaboration is, in my view, a model of what evidence-based policy making should look like in our federation. Government reaching out deliberately and humbly to the community of economists, statisticians, demographers, and development practitioners, not for ceremony, but for counsel.
Some contributors at the event called for stronger collaboration between government agencies, community leaders, and relevant organizations to ensure proper data collection and management. They expressed optimism that better planning and accurate population records would help create a more viable economy and improve development across the state.
In today's world, development can no longer be driven by assumptions. Effective governance now depends on accurate data, credible statistics, and evidence-based planning systems capable of guiding policy decisions and resource allocation.
You see, at the central bank, we don't just make decisions in isolation. Whether we are managing inflation, supporting businesses, or driving financial inclusion, every decision we take is guided by data. Real numbers, real people, real economic activities.
We must strengthen laws that support transparent identity management and ensure that the public institutions maintain credible records. There is also a pressing need to improve birth registration across rural communities, like was stated by the lead presenter.
The event witnessed presentation of awards, interactive session, amongst others. For CRBC News, Josephine Efanga reporting.